dashcam does more than just record. IT can help protect your journey and could completely change the way drivers capture, review, and protect every moment on the road. The DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K dashcam is not just a simple car camera. It combines 4K recording, dual Sony sensors, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connection, ADA's driving assistance, and night vision features into one smart driving device. But wait! The feature that makes this camera really interesting is how much technology is packed inside 4K Ultra HD recording. When something happens on the road, details matter. A license plate, a road sign, a sudden event. A low-quality recording may miss important information. With 4K video, this dashcam is designed to capture sharper and clearer footage, helping drivers keep a better record of their trips. But here's where EIT gets smarter. GPS tracking. Your drive is not just a video anymore. GPS adds extra information like location and travel data, giving you more details about your journey. Whether it's a road trip, daily commute, or unexpected situation, having more information can make a big difference. ODOS driver assistance. This is where the DDPAI Z60 Pro starts feeling more advanced. The camera is designed with smart driving assistance features that can help drivers stay more aware on the road. Technology like this is becoming a bigger part of modern driving, but there's still more night vision performance. Many important moments happen after dark. That is why night recording matters. With Sony sensors and low-light technology, this dashcam aims to capture clearer footage even when lighting conditions are difficult. Wi-Fi connection. No more complicated setups. With Wi-Fi connectivity, drivers can access and manage recordings more easily through a connected device. And honestly, this is exactly where dashcams are heading. Less manual work. More smart features. The real question, is this just another camera? Or is it a smarter driving companion? Because when you combine 4K video, dual Sony sensors, GPS, Wi-Fi, ODOS features, night vision, you get a device designed for more than just recording. It is about confidence while driving before you decide. Make sure you check the link below this video for the latest details, specifications, price, and availability. You might find features that make this dashcam even more interesting. Now I want your opinion. Which feature matters most to you? A 4K recording. B. Night vision. C. GPS tracking. D. ODOS safety features. Comment your answer. And one more question. Would you drive without a dashcam in 2026? Let me know below. Like this video if you love smart car technology. Comment your thoughts. Share this with someone who needs better road protection. Subscribe because it's free and helps support the channel. Don't forget to check the link below for more details about the DDPAI Z60 Pro 4K dashcam.